So friends, why using print management and why using print management tools for administrator and all of main Windows server and systems here. So print management why working and why give these settings in our computer. Let's start. So what is the first question is what is a main print management? So you first means your print means your print your documents and systems here, and setting is very important for print manager. So why using this print management? So computer is a very different type tasks available for tools and systems here and devices. So computer management is using main system printer for printing. So computer management is as a print management, you can see here. So computer is a very used for printing and printers and some your manage your printer machines. So not directly you can start your computer in your printer. I will discuss in second video, but this is a video I'm just talking about print management only Windows operating system. Print management available other system of other operating system just like Linux operating system, Mac and servers. Okay, so print management always try to you can see this type of Windows operating system in Windows 7 later this type logo. So this type icon showing print management here. So print management is control your printer machine is only for control your and management printing your documents. So document means your any your document your just like I'm showing your printer you want printer one type map your devices your engineer. So that time you want first any different devices and different type mechanism parts you want print. So first need a printer. So different type printer available in market, you can see here. I will discuss in some video, but printer first need document, and document you are created in your computer by your software, by your your mind and your experience and your education too. So data first how can print directly in printer, but between this process printer and computer how many process in computer. So more company in already create printer server. So what is a printer server? Printer server is one type of services and control your printer, all of your company printer here, and printer security and printer data security and printer process security and control your printer from your server, and how many client and how many local computer using your printer here. But I'm just in this video I have no server, but I'm just showing up just local computer using as your computer. I will discuss in printer server how can we using a printer server in server series, but I'm just showing here share your video, share your your data one computer to another computer here. So first you want check your data and you create your data. Yes, your print your document here. So first you want to need a network here, and network in connect your printer, and share your printer your data. But how can this possible in printer? This automatically print here. So this is a control your data by your print management system here, and some software and operating systems. And you can use a different printer or you buy internet through. Suppose you one city to another city in your branch, and you want print this type document other your branch. So you can using a internet through, and you print your other branch area. So first you want to need this type system technology, your server and server printer server here. Okay, without a printer server you cannot starting this type system here. So how many type of print management control and you can using your systems here. So first you can control your printer and printer machine. Second is a very printer control and printer machine, but second is a printer process. And log means your printer how many print your document, how many print your error your document not printing. So this is a process log print management already in systems here. Printer computer printing process means you are printing how many printing process pending, how many printing process your files, printing your data, printing your system. And fourth is you can control your printer process. You can control means you control some error page, some error your not print your printer data in your file. So you can again print your process. Fifth is your manage your multiple printer mean your environment may be connect one to other printer you can manage here. Six is you can connect your network printer and management means your network in environment very large, so that time you add as network printer here. So you can you manage by your printer server and using system here. Seven is printer process log and check here. So sometime printer error showing here, error detail here. So printer process log means you check and automatic checking in system by your servers and sending message here. And printer printing process log and error detail of computer means your computer not connected in your printer, computer disconnect your printer. Sometime computer printer not perfectly system using, and some error details from your computer. So this is a checking checking for print management tools very important for here. And nine is you can connect your printer server and the management printing job. Printing job means you command you give this my printer print this my document. So that means printing job here. And you can manage use security and authentication system here, how many user using these special systems here. So next video in I will show you how many type of printer security in these print management tools here. So this is a very important tools for printer only. So thanks for watching my video.